Yeah, so here we are then, back again. What excuses have I got? Life. Just life. It's got in the way. But here I am. Gonna make another crack at this again. We were doing well a few years ago. The 3B was going, and then work got in the way, and it sort of went, and then I kind of forgot about YouTube. So let's see if we can recover it a little bit. So I aim to cover the usual things. Reactions seem to be pretty popular now, so I'll probably do some of those, maybe. What about? I have no idea. No idea whatsoever, but we'll do some, and see if you like it. If you do, great. If you don't, we'll try something else. And that's what we'll do. We will keep throwing out videos to find out what you guys really want to see, because I'm sure that's changed from when I was just doing sort of really quite dull TV reviews and calibration things. It got quite boring. So we'll try and sort of ignite a bit of excitement and a bit of sort of a reason to watch it, rather than, oh, how do I calibrate my TV? Because that's how I normally talk. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. So look out, come back, say hello. Probably one of you that might watch this now out of all my subscribers. And we'll create some good times. We'll have some fun. We'll do some stuff, review some things, talk about stuff. There's lots of games coming out, which is really cool. Some really good games already. Lots of tech coming out, lots of tech that has come out. Got the new Switch 2. So much to talk about. So I've got no excuse. There's plenty of stuff to talk about. So yeah, pop in, say hello. And the next video, what will it be about? No idea. No idea whatsoever. But I'll make sure it's worth watching. So I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.